Hi guys, welcome to BPrep where we whiteboard quant questions appeared in previous year papers. Before we start with the question, please take a moment to subscribe to the channel to get updates on latest videos if you are preparing for any of the competitive exams. Let's start. This is a 2D geometry question from CAT 18 paper. Points EFGH lie on a sides AB, BC, CD and DA respectively of a square ABCD. So we have a square ABCD. Let's say this is the square. And there are 4 points such that those points are also making a square inside this. So let those points be like this. Assume this is a square E, F, G and H. So the area of inner square is 62.5% to that of the outer square. Okay. And then CG is longer than EB. It is given that CG is longer and EB is shorter. So we can write CG is greater than EB. Then the ratio of length of EB to that of CG is what? So we need to find out EB by CG. Okay. So let's say this EB is X and CG be Y. Okay. Because the inner lines are also making a square, the distance, these all four sides will be same. And ABCD is also a square. So AB, BC, CD and DA are also same. Okay. So if this is X and this is Y, then this side, let me highlight in red, this side will be equal to this. So EB equals to FC and FC equals to GD and this will also be equals to AH. Okay. So if this is X, this will also be X, this will X and this will also be X. Similarly, if we have assumed GC as Y, then this area will be Y, this length will be Y, DH, AE will be Y, BF will be Y and GC will be Y. Okay. So the ratio at which these points are intersecting will be same for all the sides. Okay. Now it is given that the area of inner square, let's say the area of inner square is, the sides are A of inner square. So A square is the area of inner square is 62.5%. So 62.5 into 100 percent of the outer square. So let's say the area of outer square be, the side of outer square be A. So the area will be capital A square. Okay. So this we know so far. Now, what is the side of inner square? So if we consider any triangle, let's say AEH, consider this triangle, then the side of a square will be root under x square plus y square, because this is making a right angle triangle here. So a square can be written as x square plus y square. Okay, area of inner triangle, and this will become 1000, 25, 45, 8. So 5 by 8, and this capital A is x plus y. So we can write this as x plus y whole square. Okay. So we have transformed the sides of these two squares into x and y, and we need to find out the ratio of x is to y. Okay, EB by CG is x is to y. So if we further expand this, it will be 8x square plus 8y square equals to 5x square, 5y square plus 10xy. Okay, or this will be, we can write this as 3x square minus 10xy plus 3y square equals to 0. So if you see, this is a quadratic equation, and we can easily break them into factors. If you can imagine, it's like minus 9 minus 1, there will be two factors here. If you cannot, you can directly use the formula for quadratic equation as well, like the roots of quadratic equation. So this we can break into 3x square minus 9xy minus xy plus 3y equals to 0. So this can be expressed as 3x minus y or x minus 3y equals to 0. Okay. So now if you see from here, there are two possible values of x. So x can be either y by 3 or x can be 3y. Because it is given that CG is greater than EB, so y has to be greater than x. Okay. So in that case, only this relation will hold true. So x by y equals to 1 by 3, or ratio of AB is to CG will be 1:3. If you have any questions or doubts, please post in comments, and guys, please do subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to get notification about the latest videos. Thank you for watching this.